Yeva Trade.
Hello friends, Yeva here, and today we have an exciting video. I will show you how to grow a deposit of just $100 using the MACD and Vortex indicators. We will break down how to analyze the market correctly with these tools and how to apply them most effectively in trading. Get ready for valuable information, practical tips and real trading examples. Don't go anywhere, it's going to be interesting. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoy this content. Now let's get started. First I go to pocket option where I already have these indicators enabled. On the screen you can see the settings for the MACD indicator as well as the Vortex indicator. Today I will be trading the Australian dollar and United States dollar currency pair with a return rate of 92%. On the MACD indicator we see that the lines are approximately at the same level with a slight dominance of the main line, indicating a slight advantage for buyers. The Vortex indicator also shows the positive line above. These two factors can justify opening a buy trade, so I open a $100 buy trade. The trade was successful. On the MACD indicator we can see a slight increase in the histogram, which means the pressure from buyers is increasing. The Vortex indicator shows a similar picture with the positive line rising, indicating buyer dominance. I open another buy trade. We see a small rise and the trade is successful. Currently, the indicators do not show any sharp changes. I only see that the strength of buyers is increasing. The same parameters, the MACD histogram and the Vortex positive line indicate this. After a slight price drop, I try to open another buy trade with 50% of the balance. The trade was successful. 5 minutes later, the situation changed slightly. Specifically, the main MACD line crossed the signal line from above, which could indicate a price reversal downward, and the Vortex lines also crossed. Both factors indicate a good opportunity for a sell trade. I open a 1-minute sell trade for $200. The trade ended without loss, but many analysis remains valid, so I open another sell trade. The trade was successful. The indicators for this currency pair aren't providing clear signals, so I will try switching to another pair like Australian dollar and Japanese yen. For this pair, I also see that MACD doesn't give clear and dry signals. After the main MACD line crossed the signal line from below, the lines are approximately at the same level and above zero. The Vortex indicator is a bit clearer, showing the positive line above, indicating buyer strength in the market. Based on these indicators, I opened a $300 buy trade. The trade was successful. It's clear that the main MACD line is starting to decrease, crossing the signal line, which is a signal to open a sell trade. The positive vortex line also crosses the negative line from above, indicating a sell signal. I open a 1-minute sell trade. The trade was successful. The lines continue to move in the same direction and the indicators give the same signals as the previous trade. So I will open another sell trade, this time for $600. The trade was successful. I immediately opened another sell trade for $900. It's important to catch these strong movements and profit from them. We see that the main MACD line has crossed the zero level, signaling that sellers are gaining momentum. The vortex indicator also shows a significant divergence with the positive line dominating. The trade was successful and we see the price continuing to drop. Let's observe for a bit. We see that the movement is still very strong, so we can try opening a trade during a small upward correction. I open a sell trade. The trade was successful. The MACD histogram is starting to narrow, signaling that seller activity is decreasing. We can consider entering a buy trade soon. The vortex indicator also shows the lines reaching their peak values and turning towards zero, which could also be a buy signal. I open a $1,900 buy trade. The trade ended without loss, so I open another trade in the same direction. The trade was successful. So friends, our trading session has come to an end and let's summarize. During this session we opened 11 trades. 2 ended without loss and the rest were profitable. This is an excellent result showing that using MACD and vortex indicators can effectively capitalize on strong market movements. We saw how to properly analyze the signals from these indicators and apply them in practice. I hope this video was useful and informative for you. Remember, success in trading requires discipline and continuous learning. I remind you that I have a Telegram channel and a trading bot which you can join by following the link in the video description. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new releases. Leave your comments and questions below this video, I will definitely answer them. As always, this was Yeva, see you next time on the channel, goodbye everyone.
Yeva.